We're going to start on one side. Be careful not to drop your hood latch down too far because these 4 bolts help hold it in place. Okay, but we're going to walk through all of these pieces as we go. I'm going to start on this side, start taking the bolts out, and put them in a safe spot so I don't lose them. But all in all, I am really excited about this, and this is going to be awesome. All right, y'all, so let's catch up here really quickly. I'm going to show you my bolt layout on the box. I think it's a great idea and a great way to stay organized. Keep in mind your hood latch is only held in by 2 of the 4 bolts. So when you pull 2 of them, you can take the hood latch and kind of set it, and you can get it worked and set it down out of place so this plate can come free. You can set it down and in. In addition, this plastic trim piece that helps secure your headlights to all of this frame, you slide back and tip up. And then it's got a little plastic finger on it that'll come out. You can set this aside as well. So just work your way through this center piece here. This is the bumper, essentially for one of your hood bumpers, just pulls up and out. We're going to transfer this center locking ring once we get the plate out, but then you can take the center post out. And then you can just work your way across. Now, me dropping this is a great example. One thing you can do here really quickly is that if you're worried about dropping things, you can stuff some rags in various different places. So if you do drop something, it's not going to drop down into the motor. Now, the OEM bolts are usually steel, so you can get them with a long magnet if you have to. If you do some of the other options, like if you have titanium bolts or something similar, you're not going to be able to pick them up that way, and that's a big problem. So try really hard not to drop them, and be very careful as you pull them out and are very organized.